So you have started to create your own video contents. You are motivated and excited to publish it out to the world. But there's actually one common problem which any creator has actually faced with, which is copyright music. What's up everybody, it's your boy Kenji here and welcome to this video. I've been a content creator for the past 8 years and I'll be talking about the 3 reasons why you should have ARTLIST in your creative tools. Alright, let's get into it. Before we start, this video is not sponsored by ARTLIST, so I'll be talking about my genuine opinions and the reasons why I actually love their product. You know, I've been using ARTLIST for around roughly 3 years right now. Maybe 3 or 4 years, and I can definitely say that it is one of my solid must-have tools to use on any projects that I have worked with. Okay, so the first reason is that they have high quality music and it's one of the cheapest option available in the market. The price goes like this. If you're starting out and you don't make money on creating contents, you should go for the personal license. It's an annual subscription for $120 and it's going to be around $10 per month. And the second one is the unlimited license. If you are making money or creating contents for other people, well, you should go for this license. And the full price for this package is going to be around $200 and it's roughly about $16 to $17 per month. And if you're not going to pay for the annual subscription fee, they also provide a monthly subscription package, which is a few more bucks higher. Yeah, I know, investing $120 for a royalty-free music is kind of expensive. I was a broken filmmaker back in the days. I can actually feel you guys, but I can guarantee you that every money that you spent in ARTLIST is so worth it. Like, it saves your life. I have one story that I will tell to you guys later on that was a disaster, which is funny thinking it right now, but yeah, I'll talk it to you guys later. And the second part is I love their website interface. Look at this. It's so nice and so clean. Even if you haven't used their website, you can actually access to the things you are looking for like instantly. As an example, you can find any music depending on their mood, you know, the genre, the instrument. Well, all of the important assets could be searched quickly throughout on each topic. And the other things that I like, which they added recently, is the BPM search tab. Well, for me, the BPM search tab is very useful. I usually set or create scenes depending on the BPMs. And it's also one of the crucial process for telling a story. If you have a high-paced beat, it's gonna be a tense scene. If you have a slow BPM, well, it's gonna be like a sad story, you know. Well, it could also tell a dreamy effect story. And here are some examples. Epic cinematic scene. And if you want to add some drama, and also a sad story to tell, and mostly they have everything. And ARTLIST also adds new music every day, so it keeps on updating. Alright, so the last and the most important thing, the reason why I love ARTLIST is they cover all of the copyright music, period. When it comes to commercial projects, social media posts, well, all of the related things to copyright, they actually provide it. Alright, so here's my funny story. Like, back in the days when I was a broken filmmaker, I was desperate to have a client and I was doing all of the job that landed on me. Like, you know, music videos, corporation ads, social media posts, documentaries, behind the scene things, etc, etc. So, like, all of the video project things, I've done it. So this one particular client, which totally destroyed me from copyright issues. It was one of my most awful experience in my journey. This client asked me to make an hour documentary. So they actually booked me a whole day shooting and, you know, editing afterward. Basically, I was a one-man crew doing all the stuffs. I was doing my job, finished my shooting, and started editing the hour-long project, which it was like around a month or 2 months period of time for creating that video. And yeah, I actually did it well. So, and in that documentary, I added 4 videos from Epidemic Sound. So at that time, I was using Epidemic Sound and I sent the preview version to the client. They were so satisfied and told me to send the final edits when it's done. And so for the preview, I actually uploaded it on YouTube and there was one word that catched my eye. Copyrights. So I messaged to the client and told him, I'm sorry to tell this, but all of the 4 music that I used in that documentary is all copyrighted. Can you pay extra for the license fee? And I was like, each license is about $99, so could you pay extra $400 to $500, I guess? And the client replied to me like, no, sorry, we don't have the budget. Like, yeah, he just like completely shouted me out and I was like, okay, so what should I do? And he just told me like, can you replace all of the 4 music to a free track? Like, it just blew my mind. Like, I have spent a lot of time cutting each scene, matching the music perfectly on the video. So what I've done is I've started it from the scratch. Well, it was a disaster. I make my videos based on the music. If the music goes wrong, everything goes wrong. So guys, here's a quick tip if you're just starting out. Make sure you don't have any copyright issues for your music and try to cover up your budget before making the video. Yeah, I was just like starting out. I was accepting all of the offers. Like that was my first issue with a money related project. So guys, please don't make a mistake that I did. So you guys could save money and time. Well, you get to the point. Since that day, I stopped using Epidemic Sound and started using ARTLIST in the past 3 years. So I didn't have a problem with copyright issues. It's doing well fine for me, so I recommend using ARTLIST for the first option is a no-brainer thing. As a conclusion for ARTLIST, they have the best music, they have the cheapest option in the market, and no copyright issues. So the number 3 is the most important thing for me. And also if you sign up from one of the links down below, you will extend your license 2 months for free. So you can use 14 months in total of ARTLIST. Alright guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button to support my channel. I'll see you in the next video, and Kenji is signing out. Peace! Guys, I forgot to mention that you have to pay $100 more to access on the sound effect libraries. Alright, peace out.